Good morning, everyone. It looks like we are in week 11, so we're pushing towards Thanksgiving and just right around the corner from finishing up the semester already. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's caught up. Last week you should have finished your the week 10 or actually it goes through today, finishing up your last mind tap. So this week you need to read the next chapter, and you will also have discussion 3. So discussion 3 should already be showing up. You should be able to find it under your settings there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up and look at it. So under course resources. I'm sorry, no, course content. You'll have discussion 3. So discussion 3 starts now, actually on the 9th, and it will go through the 22nd. So be sure and do what's needed to complete discussion 3, and also comment on at least one other classmate's post to be able to get full credit for discussion 3. Next week, you will have week 12. In addition to finishing discussion 3, you'll also have test 2. Okay, so test number 2 will be one of the big major tests over the last 3 chapters. It will be on Blackboard, so it won't be through the MindTap one. This is one of the big ones worth 100 points. So please be sure and start thinking towards that, reading this next chapter so that you can be ready for this chapter plus the last 2. So test 2 will be over the last 3 chapters, plus you will have discussion 3 due next week. This week it's just the reading and discussion 3. If you want to get started on that, get some things posted so other people can post on there as well. And that way we don't all run out of time. So I hope everybody has a great week. Always feel free to email me if you have any issues. Again, the best way is probably to email me at thekburns@southplainscollege.edu. I monitor that just about all the time. As long as it's not real late, if it is, I'll get back with you first thing the next morning, and then I can get anything fixed for you. So hopefully everything's working correctly. I usually go in there and do some tests, but it is technology, so sometimes that has a mind of its own. Please let me know if I can help, and hope you guys have a great week, and good luck on everything. Thanks.